supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentado con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Alright, once again, welcome aboard. We are making our way up to the transportation and ticket center. Once you do arrive, you guys are still a mile and a half away from the main entrance of the park. But you guys can either take our highways by the monorail or the ferry across the Seven Seas Lagoon. We recommend taking one there and one back for that full transportation experience. Now, Magic Kingdom will be open until 11 p.m. tonight. Again, Magic Kingdom is open until 11 p.m. Means our last show will be leaving our load zone at 12:30 in the morning. After 12, we won't take one air parking. It's going to be you all the way back to your car. Again, that's out in Captain Hook Road 321. Now, we do have a couple entertainment options for you guys today. First is our Festival of Venice Parade at 3 p.m. Then we go to our Frontierland down to Main Street, USA. And then later on today at 9:20, we do have our final projection show, Happily Ever After, High West Cinderella's Castle. We do recommend you guys there at least half an hour to an hour beforehand to find a good spot. Now let's get you guys around the village tram. We're going to go to the village side of our parking lot out of Captain Hook, again, row 321. Now is the time to remember that. Welcome to the train station and tickets out of the gateway to the Magic Kingdom. As you pull in here today, look to your right hand side, you're going to see some silver railings, some red umbrellas. That's the villain's load zone. That's where we're going to drop you off at the exact same place we're going to return to later on tonight for another villain's trip. So we're going to make our final U-turn here before we reach that full and complete stop. So just get to your main seat and hold on awesome. I'll turn in the same keep those doors closed. We're still prone for the sudden start stops. Once you do reach that full and complete stop, you guys will be exiting to the driver's left and left-hand side only. It is the exact same side you guys came in from. We also asked when we go to exit the tram today, we do cross all the way past that yellow line on the ground. Once before setting up any personal items, that does include all strollers. So it's good as we exit today, drivers left all the way past that yellow line on the ground before we do anything. Now, be a driver in the front, myself here in the back, and the rest of our parking casks. We do be a wonderful night here tonight at the Magic Kingdom. Again, we'll see you right back here where those red umbrellas are the villains load zone before 12:30 to return back to Captain Hook 321. And there's that stop, pull up, shot, watch it, watch step again, exiting, drivers left-hand side only, again the side towards security.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Alright guys, on behalf of my amazing driver up front and myself in the wheel back, I'd like to thank you for choosing to visit the Magic Kingdom today. Now if you are deciding to leave our ginormous parking lot today, just know when you follow those big white arrows painted on the ground, we'll lead you to that one and only exit. Now our speed limit is only going to be 15 miles per hour. Now let's be a 1.5, not a big 5, so please do the safety of others. Do not be letting me break along to definitely not the highway. Now if you happen to run into any car trouble whatsoever, like you can't find your car, your keys are in your car, you simply can't find your keys or your car simply won't start. All you gotta do is slide down a security white SUV with those green and yellow flashing lights, and they'll gladly come over and help you guys. Or slide down one of our amazing hardworking cast members in yellow, and they'll help you as well. Park hopping is all day today at any time, so if you leave your park now, hold on to the parking receipt, go to the next auto plaza at your next destination, and they'll gladly let you in, but it's only valid for today. Now I'm making one stop and one stop only for all roads of Hook. Now let's meet Hook Road Straight Hook to 328. Once again, for everyone speaking through me, we do the whole time since we come to a fully complete stop. We're supposed to that sudden acceleration braking. Hang on tight, small children, loose articles. Want you to make that final fully complete stop. All roads of Hook will be on the driver's side.
321 parking. That's what I have written down.
That's full and complete stop. Lift up with the handle.